Here at DTF Superstore, we have a few different heat presses available for pressing shirts. The traditional clamshell heat press, a swing-away heat press, our dual platen heat press, and our lightning press for larger production. Today we're going to compare the speed of our swing-away heat press and the dual platen heat press. I have 40 shirts for each, with a single chest graphic. You will have seen these graphics and shirts before from our 100 shirt challenge. Now the dual platen press will allow you to prep the next shirt while the first is pressing, so that should make it fast. But with the swing away press, I can do just a few second press. So that might help it keep up. Let's see. Swing away heat press, it took approximately 83 seconds per shirt. With the dual platen heat press, it took approximately 56 seconds per shirt. Your own results and times may vary a bit, but the dual platen heat press was about 150% faster than the swing away heat press. Also, I'm relatively strong and my arm got tired pressing those 40 shirts. I can't imagine doing that all day long. I hope this video helps you make a more informed decision as to which heat press is right for you and your business, and to give you an indication of just how long it might take you to press an order of DTF shirts. Now that we're done pressing all 180 of these shirts, we're going to take them over to Finley Farms Elementary School here in Gilbert and donate them. If you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.